We'll guide you through how to code Python on Replit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to replit.com on your desktop web browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up using your email or a Google account. Once you're in, look for the Create button usually at the top of the page. Click on it to start a new project. You'll see a list of templates for different programming languages. Select Python from the list. This will create a new Python REPL for you. Now, you're in the coding environment. On the left side, there's a file explorer where you can manage your files. The main coding area is where you'll write your Python code. There's a Run button at the top to execute your code. Simply type your Python code in the main area, then click Run to see the output in the console at the bottom. Replit automatically saves your work, so no need to worry about losing your code. If you need to install packages, click on the Packages button on the left sidebar. Then search for the package you need and click on it to install. You can also invite collaborators to your project by clicking the Share button, which is great for pair programming or group projects. To rename your project or change settings, click on the three dots next to your REPL's name at the top. Remember, Replit offers a lot of helpful features like a built-in debugger and auto-completion to make coding easier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.